Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to unbox my Boxycharm for the month of January with you guys tonight. So we're gonna keep this really short and simple. I'm just gonna do unboxing style. I have like zero energy right now, so I'm gonna keep it short and sweet so I'm not just like droning on. But I am very excited to see what we got. It was $25 of course, so this is just our Boxycharm base box. And I've been getting them really separate, so I'm just gonna keep the unboxing separate unless I happen to get them at the same time, like with my Ipsies. But Boxycharm has been like really like sporadic. I might get them like a week or 2 weeks apart. So I'm like, I'm not waiting on that guy. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So let me give you guys the first sneak peek. Ooh, there we go. We have our card. It says fresh start. Little pink designs on it. It's a new year. It doesn't feel like much of a new year to me. It just feels like 2020 the repeat, but it's okay. We're gonna make it through that too. So let's see what we got. First up, this is the Avant Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. So this looks kind of like, you know, your traditional eye makeup remover, little biphase duo that you can shake up. I know Avant is really pricey, so let's see what it says about this. It says this goes for $90. Wow. Infused with replenishing ingredients, it presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. I'm so tempted right now to do that, but I'm doing a wear test with foundation, so we're gonna leave her on. I'm in one of those moods where I'm just ready to curl up on the couch with a blanket and not worry about my makeup, you know? So at any rate, $90 for this seems really pricey. I'm sure that it's good. I just know like micellar water is usually pretty cheap. Like Kourtney Kardashian said, they're all the same. If you haven't seen that, it's so funny. And she's like, well, I've tried a bunch and they're all the same. Pretty much. I mean, there are good micellar waters. I've had a few that aren't the best, but they generally do the same thing. And this has this oil layer, which I'm sure is nice, but I wouldn't spend $90 on it. I will certainly use it and enjoy it, I'm sure. But yeah, it's just a little pricey. I mean, $90, that's crazy for a makeup remover. When I'm thinking like a makeup remover and cleansers, I go on the not cheap, but that's, you know, the lesser expensive item in my skincare routine. I mean, sometimes they're really good cleansing oils, like Tatcha is amazing. Hey buddy, I love you. You want to say hi? Oh, they were just asking about you in my other video. Somebody said please show the cats. I think it was Heidi. Heidi, here's your manners. You want to sit in my lap while I do this? He's pissy now. Okay, so anyway, $90, so that really inflates the value of the box. I'm always like, okay, take that one item out and see the value. So I'm gonna compare, but I mean, I'm not mad at it, happy to use it. Next up, we have the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I feel like maybe did I get this? I don't know if I have it. I don't remember where I got it from, but this is from Pharmacy. I am very fond of Pharmacy skincare. Look at that packaging. That's papaya, right? I swear my brain is like not here right now. All right, so here is the packaging. I'm going to double check and make sure that I don't have this before I dive into it. And usually gel moisturizers are something I reserve for more like the summertime. When it's hotter, I do get a little oilier. Manners has to rub the box before he can lay in it. You can have the box, just lay in it. So whether it be this one or the one that I have, that I think I have, I'll definitely be trying this out. I do love me some Pharmacy. This one goes for $38. It says it's oil-free and silicone-free, delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and contains hyaluronic acid with a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. I mean, I could use some clear pores, so I'm excited about that too. And $38, so that's already putting us at a $128 value. We have another skincare item. This is from Dr. Brandt. That's another really great skincare brand. I mean, for the brand so far, everything's looking really great. And this is the Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I don't believe I've tried this one either. I think the one I got one time was the No More Baggage, and I was like, I'm not even using it because puffiness is not my concern. It's more like, you know, fine lines and hydration that's my concern. This one goes for $82. I mean, I kind of expected it, still a little high, but more understandable for an eye cream than a micellar water cleanser. Helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, for fresh, younger looking eyes. So I'm really excited about this. This is like right up my alley in terms of what I'm looking for in an eye cream. And eye creams are actually one of the few things that I don't have like an abundance of. So I'm glad that it's something a little bit different. And I'm actually gonna squeeze some of this out on my hand and just feel the texture. Ooh, yeah, it feels nice and rich. That's what I'm looking for. Ooh. It just smells like ingredients, but it has like a cooling kind of like a little bit of a hint of the menthol flavor or scent. Oh my God. Next up, we got something from Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I've never heard of this brand, but I mean, who can't use a lip balm, you know? It goes for $33. Better be good. It says it has essential oils of sweet orange and coconut to give a citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. It says hashtag kiss the planet. Okay. So I'm assuming it has a lot of good ingredients and therefore the price tag, because that's a little high for just a lip balm. Cocoa, seed oil, cacao seed butter, wheat germ oil, and it's bee friendly. Let's see, I already have a little bit of gloss on, but it's wearing off. So let's put a little, it looks like it has a more like creamy consistency maybe. Oh, it smells like a drink I've had before. Okay, so far so good. It definitely has like the tropical citrusy kind of scent that it said. It feels nice on my lips, but I already had a little something on, so I'm not gonna judge it too much. But so far so good. It's orangey, and I do like orangey. And finally, we have the Ciate London Velvet eyeshadow palette. I like the name Velvet, and it has like this soft touch. Kind of feels nice. It's very pretty. Definitely right up my alley with the aesthetic, this like mauvey pink. Oh, that's pretty. It's definitely softer colors, but I mean, it is really, really pretty. I'm gonna try to get it out of the shine a little bit, so hopefully you can see the colors. I can't deny, like, that is a really, really pretty palette. I've had a hit and miss relationship with Ciate shadows. I feel like sometimes they're good and sometimes not so much. So this guy goes for $30. I feel like that's a decent price point for that. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hypermetallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment with super soft application. Definitely looks like a soft palette, and I'm seeing more like, you know, natural glam looking looks coming off of this. I mean, nothing too crazy obviously, but I can definitely still come up with something I'm gonna like. So that's the Velvet palette. So to sum up, we got a lot of skincare. So we got our moisturizer and eye cream. We got our makeup removing micellar water by Phase micellar water, and then we got this lip balm. I don't know about that price point, $33, and then the palette for $30. So this is a $273 retail value. I feel like it's definitely worth way more than the $25 that you pay for it. I wouldn't pay $273 for all these products. I mean, I would pay like maybe $100, you know? So not a bad box whatsoever. I am definitely keen to try everything that I got. I'll try it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this box, and let me know what you get in your box as well. Be sure to leave me a big thumbs up if you like this. I could really use the love right now on my videos, just because YouTube is just doing its thing. All of my videos are just like down the tubes. YouTube is just like, well, you don't get a lot of views, so now you're not getting any. I don't know what's going on, but if you haven't seen any of my recent videos, be sure to check them out. I did my weekly palette roundup. I did my Ipsy unboxings, which is 3 Ipsy bags. I have so many videos that I've been coming out with, so I don't know if YouTube just isn't showing you guys. So be sure to just go check on my channel and make sure those notifications are turned on so you see my videos. That would be very, very helpful. I would so much appreciate it. And also, of course, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button like I said, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.